I'm not looking forwards to it, man. Got a bit of cleaning at home to do. Got a shower, obviously. But we will be back later. Oh wow, a lot more cars in the car park today. Oh yeah, the sun's come out a little bit, the water's looking really nice. In a little bit we should probably put on our mask. Ferrari in the car park, I don't know. I don't see one. I'll keep my eyes out though. If I see one, we'll make a detour. I don't see one. I know where the guy usually parks. Oh wow, the mountain is much clearer now. When we first left, it was totally covered with fog. Shower? What's that? Dude, I got a shower. I haven't showered for 2 days. I think I forgot what a shower was. Haven't been out for 2 days. We'll probably go for a walk up the pier. Nice walk we had this morning. Tiny bit of rain, but it didn't really affect us. Oh yeah, mask. Once we get near the pier, should probably put the mask on. Hey Monero. Did you guys get let off lockdown yet? Or is that happening till the end of the month? I forget. Don't need showers. Well, the cat doesn't.